How's it going, people? I'm not a tech fix channel, but here we are with a second video game fix video. And so there I was watching Siege videos, I was watching just a game or two, you know? So I open up the game, and I get the problem occurred error dolphin-028. Probably don't have to try all these changes, but I might as well list out some changes that have worked for other people. Now, most likely, you used to be able to get into Ubisoft Connect at the end of January and beyond. You can't anymore. But some of the other changes that you don't have to try, but are changing just changing your password, removing the device you're using from the list of trusted devices in your Ubisoft account, uninstalling, reinstalling Ubisoft Connect, doing the whole opening your Powershell and running ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, going to your settings and doing a full network reset, which also forces restarts your computer, typing the wrong password first. I already tried all these. So at this point, I started using a AI LLM, okay, help narrow down and find the problem. So I contacted support as well. But would you look at that? I literally said that I used a hotspot, and they were like, "We recommend you try using a bruh L support."
Bruh.
Anyways, now you can try the mobile hotspot. You have to be on mobile data. It mainly checks if it's a network issue or if it's a device issue. If it's a network issue, you might just have to fix your firewall thing, which I did anyways, which if you go to your Windows and your program files 86 and you go to Ubisoft and the game launcher and you look at the logs, my logs are now fine because I got it to work. But if you go to your network info, and this is at the top, you might have to do this anyways. You might not. I'm just going to show you anyways. But what you're gonna do is open the control panel. Let me just reopen it. Open the control panel. Go to Windows Defender Firewall. I'm on Windows 11, so Windows 10 may look a bit different. And you want to click on this Allow an App. But you click Change Settings, Allow another app, and then you're going to want to find this same program files, Ubisoft Game Launcher. And you're going to want to do Ubisoft Connect. Click Add. I already added it. Just imagine I click here. I also added UPC. Network log error went away, but I was still getting dolphin-028. So then I added other stuff. You probably only need these two. So let's move on to the main problem. The main problem is network certificates. Isn't that lovely? Here's a summary of the problem, okay? It would see that on January 21st, they changed their SSL certificate. And 2 days earlier, they also updated the Ubisoft Connect build. And we're missing 2 intermediate certificates, which if you use a web browser, it works just fine because it auto downloads. But programs such as Windows Channel or OpenSSL don't auto download the intermediates, so we have to manually download. Like, who decided this? Surely they tested this change. They just tested it only on company computers which had the necessary SSL certificates in their Windows Store certificate. Windows Certificate Store. So they can't expect hundreds, thousands, however many. I went to the Discord, tried to find answers. Seemed many people can't log in issues, dolphin-028 problems. They expect people to manually, or I guess semi-manually, download these. So you're gonna want to go to the same folder, the logs folder, and go to launcher log. And you'll scroll down, you'll see that there's a bunch of these SSL error certificate verification, and you'll see that there's this URL. If your URL is the same as mine, then you don't have to worry about it. If it is not the same, you're going to want to copy it down. And you're going to want to open PowerShell, run as admin, probably. And then you're going to want to copy paste this entire thing in. It's in the description. The $signs make it so you don't have to do line by line, just copy paste the entire thing in. Control C, you right click, it does all this, then you click enter for the last line. If you're, anyway, so yeah, those are what you're going to need. But these two, at least for me, were the ones I needed. These two intermediate certificates. So yeah, now it should work. After you restart your computer, you're gonna have to restart your computer after you run this. If it doesn't work, you can try another fix I found on the Discord, which I took a screenshot. Which if you don't have the right thing, then what you're gonna do is paste it into a notebook and notepad, and just change this URL, change these URLs to whatever your URL is. Also here, and then paste it in, and it should work because it accesses the URL, sees whatever the certificates you need, and downloads the necessary ones. Then you just restart your computer, and it should work. It should work. Amazing. Now, after doing all this, do I even want to play Siege anymore? Like what's going on? What's going on? Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a nice day/night.